One of the most asked questions of the channel is the capitalist investor. How do I actually invest in index funds or ETFs? And I thought the best way to answer it was through a video. So here it is. Stay tuned for a step-by-step video to investing in the cheapest and easiest way possible. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's the Capitalist Investor here, bringing you yet another video. Nothing in this video, guys, constitutes financial advice, and if you follow it, it is at your own risk. This video is for educational purposes. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, help me out to get to 300 subscribers by hitting the subscribe button and sharing this video with others by hitting the like button. The channel is here to help you debug the complex world of finances, bringing you valuable content which includes elements of entertainment. I know, right? Unexpected. So without any further delay, I know you all want me to get into today's video, so that's what I'll do. First up, we're going to need the Free Trade app, which can be found on the App Store on either Android or Apple, and it's free to download. Next up, you're going to need to scroll down to my comments and look for the pinned comment by me. That's got a referral link, which if you use will get you a free share up to the value of £200. All you have to do is deposit £1, which if you're watching this video, I assume you are planning to do as a minimum for investing in ETFs. A free share to start you off is the least I can do. Be sure to let me know what free stock you get in the comments below. And forewarning, if it's a higher value than mine, I'm probably not going to be happy, and I won't abuse you, but you know, I definitely won't be happy. Okay, so you've signed up with my link. Check your emails. Note, sometimes the email does go to your junk email, so also check there as well. Then pop over to the app you've just downloaded and start the sign up process. This is very easy, guys. All you need to do first is enter your email that you just used, and it will send you another email saying confirm this email. So back over to the emails we go and press login to Free Trade. So it's easy, right? Next up, they're going to want you to pick a passcode. This is a 4-digit code. Please don't share it with anyone. It's your unique code and it protects your account. To add further protection, they're going to ask you, do you want to add a fingerprint unlock, which is a cool feature that makes accessing the app even easier. It's a bit like online banking if you already have this. Then it's time for legal name. In this case, first name capitalist, second name investor, and date of birth, hopefully you already know the answer to. And then it's on to postcode, which again, hopefully you know where you live. Anyway, next step is an important one, it's nationality. Now you might be thinking, why do I need to do this? Well, if you're from the UK and want to invest in the US dividend stocks, there is unfortunately something called a withholding tax. And if you've watched some of my other previous videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is usually charged at 30%. But if you fill in a few more details, such as national insurance, you can sign a W8BEN form, which decreases this to 15%. I mean, it's still 15%, but better than 30%, so we take the win. You're nearly all signed up now. You just need to add some funds and you can start with whatever you are comfortable with. Never invest more than you are comfortable with, guys. And remember, depositing just £1 in this account will give you a free share up to the value of £200. So anyone can get involved. Then Free Trade will do some checks and your account is up and running. Boom, get some GGs in the chat and it's time to invest. So you want to invest in indexes, head over to the Discovery tab, hit the magnifying glass at the top right and type in world. This will find you the indexes that relate to world investing. Find the index you like. I invest in IWDG ticker, which is MSCI World. It then shows you all the key information, but most importantly, we see a big purple button which says buy. Let's hit that and it will tell you how much you have available to invest at this time. Type in the amount you want, so I'm going to do £100. This tells me that I can get 18 shares, which is sweet. And one thing to note here, guys, I am outside of market open hours, so this investment will be executed on the 29th of June at 3 PM under a basic order. If I was looking at this during market hours, this purchase could be made straight away free of charge. although mine is still free of charge, I've just got to wait. Anyways, once you're happy with the order, hit review order and it will show you a breakdown of your purchase. Any charges such as FX or stamp duty you might need to pay. In this instance, it's free and it shows my 18 shares purchase will cost £99.86. Let's hit the confirm buy and away we go. That's really it, and as simple as it can be. You shouldn't have any issue, but if you do, let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to help out where I can. Happy investing, guys, on the free trade platform. Thanks for watching today's video. It's been a short one, but a key one, I think, as the resources on YouTube are not that great on this subject. They talk very much about sign up for this free share, etc., but they don't talk to you about how you actually sign up, find the stocks that you want to buy, and how you confirm that purchase. Anyway, guys, I've been the Capitalist Investor. You've been YouTube, and until next time, peace!